How can solo travelers avoid getting lost in NYC? Imagine wandering through a city that never sleeps, full of towering skyscrapers, busy streets, and endless sights. It can be exciting, but also easy to lose your way if you're not prepared. Luckily, New York City is built for easy navigation. The streets in Manhattan follow a simple grid pattern above Houston Street, with numbered streets running east to west and avenues north to south. If you know your starting point, it's straightforward to figure out where you are and where you want to go. For example, if you're at 42nd Street and 5th Avenue and want to reach 50th Street and 5th Avenue, just walk 8 blocks north. Once you cross Houston Street, street names change from numbers to actual names, so having a map or navigation app becomes more helpful. Download a subway map or use Google Maps on your phone. These tools give real-time directions for walking, buses, and trains. The subway runs all day and night, making it a quick way to cover long distances. You can pay with a contactless credit card or phone at the turnstile, no need for a Metro card. When walking, set your destination in the app and follow step-by-step directions. If you prefer paper, pick up a free subway map at any station. Landmarks are also your best friends. Iconic sites like the Empire State Building, Times Square, and Central Park help you find your way back if you get turned around. When street names change or neighborhoods get confusing, look for these familiar sites to regain your bearings. Walking is one of the best ways to explore neighborhoods like the East Village, Chelsea, and SoHo. Just wear comfortable shoes because you might cover several blocks. As you walk, pay attention to street signs at intersections. They show the street name and cross street, helping you confirm your location. In neighborhoods without a grid, signs are especially helpful. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask for help. Most New Yorkers are happy to give directions if you ask politely. Approach a shopkeeper, transit employee, or police officer. They're usually glad to assist. Always stay aware of your surroundings, especially at night. Stick to well-lit, busy streets and avoid empty parks or side streets after dark. Keep your phone and valuables secure, and consider using a crossbody bag to prevent pickpocketing. For longer distances or late-night travel, taxis and rideshare services are available and can be safer options. Staying in a central neighborhood like Midtown Manhattan makes navigation easier because you're close to major transit hubs and attractions. Planning your route before heading out, especially to less touristy areas, can save you from getting lost. Save offline maps on your phone in case your service drops. Joining small group tours can also help you get familiar with a neighborhood. Take breaks in cafes or parks to check your location and rest. Remember, getting a little lost sometimes can lead to fun surprises, but with these tips, you'll always find your way back. Using the grid system, navigation apps, landmarks, and asking for help will keep you confident as you explore the city. Staying alert and choosing central accommodations will make your solo adventure in New York City smooth and enjoyable.